Good morning, Weaver Wildcats, as we get closer to the end of our work week on this beautiful Thursday morning. And let's go ahead and get started with our announcements by first remembering and recognizing all of our amazing teachers. So we just want to continue to recognize them during this Teacher Appreciation Week. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a star. So again, to all of our teachers, thank you every day for everything that you do for all of us. All right, and if you have not participated in Tuesday's Challenge of the Day, you still have time to write that email to a teacher that was special to you and share what they did to make them a special teacher for you. As a teacher, I know how much those things mean to us. So if you do feel so inclined, please reach out to one of your teachers and email them and make sure to let them know how special to you they were. And you still have just a little bit more time left to get those Wildcat Wednesday pictures in from our Tuesday, Star Wars Day. Make sure to send those pictures in to egong@weaverusd.org. Make sure that you get those pictures over to me by 3 o'clock to make sure that you would be part of the Wildcat Wednesday video. All right, Wildcats, this is where we need to spend some time talking about the Weaver Way. The Weaver Way is something that you live every day at school, on your way to school, and your way home from school. We have some Wildcats that are not exhibiting the Weaver Way on their walk home. I apologize for any student that is living the Weaver Way and doing the things that they need to, but Weaver Wildcats, we need to be better. Every single one of us needs to be better in exhibiting the Weaver Way for all of us. So make sure in everything that we do, we exhibit these behaviors. So make sure you are working responsibly. Make sure you do have that excellent behavior. You can do it. So have that attitude of achievement. Make sure, and these two are huge for me, make sure that we're valuing everyone and exhibiting respect. We can't value everyone and exhibit respect when we're throwing things, when we're throwing our garbage on the floor. It's just not right, Wildcats. And again, we need to be better. And of course, Wildcats, we are always ready to learn, and we need to learn from our mistakes, and again, need to be better. So thank you, Wildcats, and this is what we will do to get better. Let's make sure that each one of us holds ourselves accountable to these expectations. Let's also make sure that we continue to do our part to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. So make sure that we're washing our hands frequently. We're practicing that good respiratory hygiene. We're not touching our face. We're maintaining our social distance and keep our face coverings on. And if you're feeling sick, stay home and get better. Now, with the face coverings for our on-campus students, it is a health and safety factor of you having your face mask on incorrectly. So, again, we ask that all students, while you're on campus, keep your face coverings on, covering both your mouth and your nose. All right, and make sure that we're also checking our school Gmail account and our Google Classrooms every day. Make sure we're checking into our daily class meetings in the afternoon and following the right day schedule so that your teachers can give you instruction. And then make sure you're watching the daily announcements for any changes in schedule or anything important coming up. And make sure you're taking those freaking brain breaks, getting up and moving around. All right, it is Thursday, so let's make sure in the afternoon, if you're a sixth grader, you're going from periods 2, 4, 7, and 9. And in the seventh grade, you'll be also going from periods 2, 4, 7, and 9 today. And for our eighth grade students, you will be going from periods 2, 4, 5, and 9. Remember, your distance learning students, you should be checking in at your distance learning time, and then you're spending the mornings completing your Reading Plus assignments and any other activities that your teachers have assigned to you. All right, and make sure you put it on your calendar that auditions are coming up for Weaver Middle School Marching Color Guard and Winter Guard. So the dates are listed there for you from 4 to 7, and you will be meeting at the basketball courts on those days. We look forward to everyone that wants to come out and participate in our Marching Color Guard and Winter Guard. And today is Thursday, so after school, we will be having chess club with Mr. Cranston and Mr. Mohan. Make sure to email them if you'd like more information. And for our softball team, we did not have the results at the time of the announcements, but we will have those for our announcements tomorrow. But be sure to get your COVID test before Monday's game. And then for our baseball team, at the time of the announcements, we did not have the final results in, but we will have those for our announcements tomorrow. Be sure, baseball team, to get your COVID tests in before Monday's game as well. Alrighty, Wildcats. So our question of the day yesterday was, we will have one last Spirit Day, Wildcat Wednesday, on May 26th. What idea do you have for a Spirit Day for the last Wildcat Wednesday of the year? We didn't get that many responses, Wildcats, and so we'd like to run this question again. Please give me as many ideas as you can. Remember that this is the last Wildcat Wednesday of the year, so let's do something fun, but let's go ahead and get those ideas in from you before we decide what is going to be our Wildcat Wednesday on May 26th. So go ahead and answer the question today, again, at the link at the bottom of the video or the link that is in your email. 21, what does that mean? No, it does not mean blackjack. It means that we have 21 school days left, so we need to make sure that we are working hard every day until the end. What is back? It's the joke of the day. I know you guys missed it. It's a hot item. It has returned. And our joke of the day, because of baseball and softball, what did the baseball say to the mitt? Catch you later. Alrighty, Wildcats, that's our joke of the day. That's what we have for you for this Thursday edition of our announcements, Wildcats. And let's make sure to remember, each one of you is great. Just allow yourselves to be. Have a great day, Wildcats.